Well, I mean, I don't know a whole lot about business. Usually I'm like into medical stuff and science, stuff like that. And so I was kind of like looking to get into a new venue and see if I'm interested in it or not. So far, I've really enjoyed it.
The Robert J. Trulash Sr. College of Business has held the Trulash Business Academy since 2008, teaching high school students all about business.
One of my friends, she said that this made her change like her entire major, and I'm thinking about pre-law right now, and she told me she was interested in that too, and then she was like, but once she went to the business camp, like it made her change her entire major, and so now she's going to college for business, so I want to see if this would make me want to go into business too.
Students attending the academy go to different exciting and engaging classes each day and learn about career opportunities within the business world.
Sometimes they're really fun, like you get into it.
The disciplines focused on are accounting, finance, management, and marketing.
Marketing has actually been my favorite part.
My favorite part is, well, so far budgeting. That was pretty fun, just to guesstimate how your life is going to be and your future expenses.
Either a business professor or a real-world business professional teaches each class.
But those are the brands that I represent, and there's a customer that I call on one. It's called Super Value.
Students apply what they learn in the classes to the real world through hands-on activities and group projects.
The group projects were actually really fun. It was competition that we had to advertise our business, what we're selling.
I really enjoyed them. Like, that was my first time ever working like for real on a project with my group, and so I think it prepared us for a project that we're going to do later on. So now we know each other's strengths and weaknesses, and we can work around it.
In addition to the classes, students participate in different activities to develop professional skills, including networking, interviewing, and an etiquette dinner.
Just looking forward to the etiquette dinner so I can just learn how, to, be proper when if I get a job and they invite me to like a business dinner, I can be, have more understanding of it.
And while taking classes in real classroom settings, students also get the opportunity to experience life on a college campus. They stay in the dorms and even eat in the dining halls.
The food is great. It's so good. Oh my gosh.
The food is good. It's really good. I enjoy it. I thought it was going to be worse, but it's actually good.
There is even a college student perspective with the counselors, where students can ask any question they want to the current MU students.
Just ask us anything that's on your mind. This is anything you want to ask us about college. You guys can be sincere and honest, and we'll try and give you the best answer that we can.
And of course, there are activities where students can just have fun, hang out, and meet new people.
I love it. It's very nice. I got to meet a lot of new people besides people from my own school. It's just a nice all-around experience.
A lot of people here go to the same school as me, and so I knew them before, but I'm becoming closer with a lot of those people, and I met a lot of new people, so it's been cool.
It helped me like really meet a lot of people. It made me like come out of my comfort zone and like actually go like talk to them and try and meet them and learn who they are as a person.